Introducing Selitac Advanced, the ultimate flooring underlayment designed for ease and performance. Its folding panels with a new lip and tape feature ensure effortless installation, lying flat and staying flat. Crafted from fine-celled extruded polystyrene foam, Selitac Advanced offers superior thermal and sound insulation, correcting minor subfloor imperfections and protecting against impact noise. Its compression strength safeguards laminate floors from damage at seams even under low pressure. With an advanced metallized protective moisture barrier, Selitac Advanced eliminates the risk from moisture penetration, ensuring long-lasting durability. Ideal for laminate and engineered hardwood, it extends warranties by 10 years and is radiant heat approved. Elevate your flooring with Selitac Advanced, where innovation and reliability redefine your space. Choose Selitac Advanced for superior performance and peace of mind in every step.